Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has classified Microsoft as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.29. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Surpassing our expectations, the stock has shown a remarkable gain of 6.11% since our initial recommendation to buy Microsoft 17 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.36% since it was categorized as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently experiencing a moderate upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential further rise. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 9.95% change over the next 3 months. The potential return on investment ranges from 4.57% to 13.64%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 42.73% change over the next year. Investors could potentially see a return between 26.99% and 47.44%. This corresponds to a price range of $504.88 to $586.21 after 1 year. Our latest update for Microsoft brings a headline: Evaluation of Microsoft stock downgraded after the last trading session. On the last day, Wednesday, January 31, 2024, the Microsoft stock price fell by 2.69% from $408.59 to $397.58. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $397.22 and a high of $415.31, showing a 4.55% fluctuation. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 of them, resulting in a 2.08% increase over the past 2 weeks. Although the volume has increased by 18 million shares on the last day, the prices have been falling. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. A total of 47 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $18.58 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $415.31, while the lowest was $245.47. Currently, the price stands at $17.73 or 4.27% below the 52-week high of $415.31, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Let's talk about analyst ratings. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, William Blair gave Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action. BMO Capital also reported on Wednesday, January 31, 2024, giving Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action. RBC Capital joined in on Wednesday, January 31, 2024, giving Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action. Barclays had their say on Wednesday, January 31, 2024, giving Microsoft an overweight grade with a hold action. And lastly, on Wednesday, January 31, 2024, Wedbush gave Microsoft an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a general rating of strong buy. They have also rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. Let's analyze the signals for Microsoft stock. Currently, the short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, while the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Since the short-term average is higher than the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it might face resistance from the short-term moving average at around $403.74. On the other hand, if it falls, there could be some support from the long-term average at approximately $382.85. Breaking above the short-term average will signal a buy, while breaking below the long-term average will signal a sell. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also suggests a buy signal. However, there have been some negative signals recently, which could impact the short-term development of the stock. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, January 29, 2024, resulting in a minus 2.96% decrease so far. It is expected to fall further until a new bottom pivot is found. It's worth noting that the volume increased and the prices fell yesterday, which could be an early warning sign and should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals that you may find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there was a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal occurred 3 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was observed 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal was detected 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was identified 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. Short moving average, a buy signal was observed 18 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal occurred 65 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 62 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Let's talk about the support levels for Microsoft stock. Right now, it's finding support just below today's level at $377.44 and $370.73. Support levels are important because they indicate a price point where the stock has historically shown strength and buyers have stepped in. However, there's always a risk when a stock tests a support level. If it breaks through, it may fall to the next support level. In the case of Microsoft, if the support at $377.44 is broken, the next support level to watch out for is at $370.73 and $369.67. These are the price points where we've seen significant buying activity in the past. It's important to keep an eye on these levels as they can influence the stock's future direction. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with trading Microsoft stock. With average movements during the day in good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. This means that there's a reasonable chance of price fluctuations, but it's not extremely high or low. Looking at the stock's recent performance, we can see that it moved $18.09 between its highest and lowest points in the last day, which is equivalent to a 4.55% change. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.92%. This gives us an idea of how much the stock has been moving on a daily basis. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for Microsoft. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Microsoft's PE ratio is within the normal range, which is often observed in businesses with established track records and predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for April 23, 2024. Today, we'll be discussing some important day trading levels for Microsoft. If you're considering an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $398.67. For those who don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, if you are already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if we encounter a downward trend, Microsoft's first support level is at $377.44. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point with the anticipation of a rebound. The consensus rating for Microsoft across multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Hoya Alice L. sold a total of 197,512 shares of common stock. On December 26, 2023, Hogan Kathleen T. sold 120 shares of common stock. On December 15, 2023, Hoya Alice L. sold a total of 264,433 shares of common stock. On December 14, 2023, Warrior Padmashri bought 858 shares of restricted stock units. Also on December 14, 2023, Warrior Padmashri purchased an additional 277 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, our calculations show a positive insider power ratio of 8.668. Overall, insiders have bought 397,455 shares and sold 329,274 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $382.68, which represents a decrease of 3.75%. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, which means it carries a moderate level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 2 days ago. Today, we're going to discuss some recent analyst. While Microsoft holds several positive signals, on Wednesday, January 31, 2024, it would be more appropriate to hold or accumulate this position and wait for further development. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate, mainly due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Our systems have identified that the current price of Microsoft stock is undervalued based on the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Thursday, February 1st, we anticipate Microsoft to open up at $403.37, a $5.79 increase from the previous day's closing price. An overweight grade with a hold action. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Therefore, it's highly recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing the current view of this stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinion. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. From all of us at Stock Invest, we wish you a successful trading experience and a beautiful day.